you already know who it is. You saw all those candles that we made so far. Now here's the thing, we got a lot more to make because a lot of pre-orders came in. Thank you so much for looking out. You trust me when I tell you it's gonna be worth it. Definitely. We got a lot of orders to pack. All right. The packaging is gonna be so cute. You know what? Let me show you the packaging. This is gonna be our trio box at the bottom. Right? This is gorge. Created and made by yours truly, of course. And this is gonna be for our single tumbler orders. Now, if you're not into the Valentine's Day thing, definitely we have a self-care kit as well. The self-care candles are absolutely luxe as well, just like the romantic and sophisticated, along with sweet and indulgent. The trios, we got 3 different sets, and they all smell terrific, all right? Now, don't be complaining about the price. The price is the price simply because we're using high quality stuff. Hit up indulgencebytkm.com. Get your candles. Don't tell me you didn't get your candles because you waited to the last minute. The pre-orders came in and they're still coming in. Get your candles. Like I said, I'm not going to say it again. Get your freaking candles. indulgencebytkm.com. You order now, I send it out in time for Valentine's Day.